In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin a presentation in Google Meet using Google Workspace for Business. Whether you're a professional handling multiple meetings or a beginner getting acquainted with Google Meet, this guide will streamline your video conference experience. Let's begin by navigating to your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a cluster of applications conveniently organized for easy access. Among these, you'll find the Google Apps icon, often represented by a grid of dots. Go ahead and click on that grid. This will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing numerous Google services. From this menu, select Google Meet. Google Meet is a powerful tool for video communication, and knowing how to manage your presentations effectively is critical for impactful meetings. Next, you need to initiate a new meeting. You'll see options to either schedule a session or jump into one instantly. For our purpose today, click on New Meeting and select Instant Meeting. This path is ideal for immediate collaboration or to quickly set up a scenario where you want to practice unpinning a presentation. Now, with your meeting interface ready, let's turn our attention to the main task: how to unpin a presentation. Once you have entered the meeting, direct your attention to your screen profile. You'll see several interactive elements hovering over the main display during a call. Now, let's focus on the small ellipses, often 3 vertical dots, positioned close to where your meeting controls are aligned. These ellipses hold additional settings and options for managing your meeting view effectively. Click on these ellipses to reveal a menu. You'll find various controls designed to optimize your meeting experience. To unpin a presentation that might currently be locked to everyone's screen, often the default for main presentations, look for the Unpin option. Selecting Unpin to everyone's screen will allow all meeting participants the flexibility to focus on different aspects of the meeting as needed. Understanding how to unpin presentations not only enhances the dynamism of your meetings by allowing participants to interact with the meeting in different ways, but also gives you greater control over meeting presentation management. This function is particularly useful in collaborative settings where participants may need to move between speakers or shared documents seamlessly. With this, you have effectively unpinned a presentation in Google Meet using Google Workspace for Business. Mastering these small yet significant controls can be a game changer, ensuring your meetings are as productive and flexible as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide a boost to your digital communication efficiency.